Hi children, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class we learned about exercise 4.6, some problems completed. Again, today also we discussed about exercise 4.6. Already I explained 7 problems. 3 problems are I given homework. Okay, next 11th problem. See Nana, 11th problem, see, multiply 309 by 24. The first 11th problem is that multiply 309 by 24. First of all, multiply. Where we multiply? The ones place. See now. So multiply the digit of 4 in ones place by 9. That means 4 into 9. 4 nines are 36. So now write here 6. This 3 carry to here. Carry to this 3. Okay. Next to multiply in the tens place. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 4. So 4 zeros are 0. But carry here. How much carry there? 3 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is the 3. Okay. Next multiply the digit of 4 in 100 place by 3. That means 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. So now write here 12. But here any number here not given. So that's why as is write here 12. Okay. Next to this digit multiply. Okay. So here keep here. This is the ones place completed. Next is the tens place digit. So in the ones place here keep into. This is the multiplication formula. So now this digit multiply this number. 2 into 9. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. So but right here 8. This one carry 2. Okay. Next 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Okay, right here 0 plus 1. Sorry, place there carry this one. 0 plus 1 is the 1. So now right here 1. Okay, next 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. So now right here 6. Okay, now do the addition. These two numbers add these two numbers. Here 6 as you see here 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. Here 3, here 8. So 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now 1 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is the 3, 3 plus 1 is the 4. 1 plus 6 is the 7. So total answer is the 7,416. 6 0 the ones plus 6 in the tens plus 1 100 plus 4 1000 plus 7. So the answer is the 7,416. Okay children. Next problem. 12th problem. What is the next problem? 12th problem. See, multiply 290 by 32. Multiply 290 by 32. Okay children. See, first of all this digit in the ones place is the 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 zeros are 0. So now here next to multiply in the tens place. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 2 into 9. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. So only right here right 1 is the carry to 100 place. Okay. Next to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is the 2 2s are 4. Okay, but carry there 4 plus 1 is the 5. So here any number no. So 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1 is the 5. This digit is over. Next in the tens place here 3. That's 3 into 0. 3 zeros are 0. only 7 here. This 2 carry 200 plus 3 into 2. Next 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. But carry there. How much? The second one. Don't count this. Okay? So like this curve. Okay, first of all is over. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. That is the 8. Okay, so now add these two numbers. 0. 8 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 7 is the 12. So 1 carry. 1 plus 8 is the 1 plus 8 is the 9. The total answer is 9,200. 9,200. Okay. After add this like this, don't confuse. Alla confuse kaakunda first cut chestam. Okay na? Next 13th problem. See nana. Multiply 69 by 22. Multiply 69 by 22. First of all 2. 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. So this 8, right? This one carry to this. Okay. Next 2 into 6. 2 6s are 12. But carry how much there? 1. 12 plus 1 is the 13. So 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 is the 13. So now right here 13. Okay. Next in the 10th place. 2 into 9. Same as this. 2 9s are 18. So here also 8. 1 carry. Again 2 into 6. 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1. 30. So what do now? Addition. So now plus. Okay. 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is the 3 here. 8. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here 1 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5 1. The total answer is the 1,518. 1,518. Okay, next 14th problem. See Nana. Multiply 79 by 54. Multiply 79 by 54. First of all, what are you? The ones place is the 9, 10 plus 7. So here also 4, 4. The ones place 4, the 10 plus 5. First of all, multiplying the ones place. 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. But here 6, 3 is the carry 2 tens place. Next, multiplying the tens place. 4 7s are 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. But their carry, how much they carry? 3. That means plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31 here, right? 31. Okay. Next, the 10 plus this is a 5. Multiplication. 5 9s are 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. So now right here 5 is 4 carry 2 tens plus. Okay. 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. But carry there. How much they carry? 4. 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4 is 39. So this over 39. So now add these two numbers. 6. As you see here 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 9. Here I go with the 3. 9. So I take here 9. So 9 fingers after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 12 and 10, that means 2 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 is the 4. The total answer is the 4,266. Okay, understood children? Like this do total problems. More I explained 14th or 15th, 16th, 17th. Up to 14th over. Next to 15th problem. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. The 15th problem is the 56 into 94. Okay, next after see now. The ones place are given 6 and 4 tens place 5 and 9. See, first of all multiplying the ones place 4 into 6. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. So now write here 4. This 2 carry to 2. Okay? Next in the tens place 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. But they carry, how much they carry? 2 plus 2. 20 plus 2 is the 22. So now write here 22. Okay, next in the tens place. So here keep into 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. So now write here 4. This 5 carry to again tens place. Okay, 9 into 5. Next is the 9 into 5. 9 5 are 45. But they carry. The carry is the 5. So plus 5. 45 plus 5 is the 50. So now add this. 4 as is here 4. 2 plus 4 is the 6. 2 plus 0 is the 2. 5. The total answer is the 5264. The 15th problem answer is the 5264. Next to 16th problem. See now. Thousands, these are place values. Thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. 86 into 84. See now. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So, but here write 4 before this 2 carry to tens place. After 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. But they carry plus 2. 32 plus is the 2 is the 34. So now write here 34. Okay. Next, this one 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Okay, so here keep into here 8. This 4 carry to again. Okay, understood Nana? Next 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. But they carry plus 4. 64 plus 4 equal to 68. So now write here 68. Now add these two numbers. Here 4. 4 plus 8 is the 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is the 4. 4 plus 8 is the 12. Carry 7. The total answer there 7224. Okay children, understood? Same as the 17th problems also same like that problem. Next I will explain 18th problem. I will explain now 18th problem. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 146 into the problem seen na multiply 146 by 33. So first of all multiplying the ones place. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. So this one here right here. This one carry 2 tens place. Next again. Sorry, not 3. Next to 3 into 4. Next in the tens place 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 but carry 1. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is the 13. So this carries over 13. So but here 3. This one carry to 100th place. Okay, now the multiply in the 100 place. 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus carry here 1. 3 plus 1 is the 4. So now write 4. Okay, next digit multiply. This one also 3. 3 6 are 18. So now write here 8. 1 carry 2 tens place. 3 into 4. 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13. Here also 13. So 3 here 1 carry. 3 into 1. 3 1s are 3. Here carry 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now add these two numbers. 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is the 11. 1 carry 1 plus 4 is the 5. 5 plus 3 is the 8. 4. The total answer is the 4818. Okay. Next 19th problem. You only do. I will explain 20. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 128 into 17. Okay. Think. First of all, multiply in the ones place, after go to the tens place, after go to the hundreds place. 7 into 8. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 7 8s are 56. So write 56 this 6, right? This 5 carry to tens place. Next in the tens place 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So now write like this 7 2s are 14, but the carry plus 5. 14 plus 5 is the 19. So here 9 here 1 carry. This carry completed, so mark it. Okay. Next 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 plus carry 1. 7 plus 1 is the 8. So now write 8. This carry is the over. Okay. Next multiply by 1. 128. Multiply 128 by 1 single. 1 into 8. 1 8 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. Next 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. So now 2. 1 into 1. 1 1s are 1. So now write here 1. Completed. Now multiplication is the completed. Next what do now? Addition. So I keep here addition symbol, that is the plus. Now add these two numbers. 6. 9 plus 8 is the 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 8 is the 9. 9 plus 2 is the 11. So 1 carry here. 1 plus 1 is the 2. The total answer is the 2176. Okay children. This exercise completed. Remaining problems are, that is your homework 19th and 17th. That is your homework. Write in your notes and practice well. Okay children. Bye.